Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create group on Facebook. By creating group on Facebook, it helps enable group of people to interact in common page and in common topic. To create group on Facebook, first open Facebook application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you can see your home page. Now tap on your profile with the three lines on the top right corner or the menu icon on the top right. Then here you can see your menu. Now here you can see groups option. If you are not being able to see groups option, then you can tap on see more option and look for groups. After you tap on groups, here you will be able to see for you page. Now tap on plus sign on the top. Then tap on create a group option on down. Now here you need to first enter your name of the group on the given box. Make sure that your name of your group is unique. You cannot use name of group that already exists. Now tap on choose privacy box. Then you can choose the privacy of your group, whether it is public or private. I am going on with public. It determines who in the group can post and can review the post. After choosing privacy, tap on the option of done. With this, now tap on the option of create group on the down. Now your group will be created. With this, you can invite members to your group. Here you will be able to share your group by tapping on share group option, or you can also share through QR code by tapping on share via QR code. You can also search for people by tapping on the search bar and looking for the people, or you can choose the people to invite from the suggested bar. Tap on invite option, then you'll be able to send the invitation to the group. After you invite people, you can tap on next option on the top right. Then here you need to add a cover photo for your group so that you will get noticed with the image that helps you show what a group is all about. So tap on edit option on the image. After that, you can upload a photo by tapping on upload a photo option. Then you can choose any photo from your gallery by tapping on the photo. With this, you can adjust the photo however you like. After adjusting the photo, now tap on save option on the top right. With this, you'll be able to add a cover photo. After that, you can tap on describe your group box. Then you can describe your group so that people know about what it is. Then tap on done option on down. With this, now here you can also make your first post. You can enter any of the caption, then select any of the photo from your gallery. With that, tap on post option on the top right. With this, you'll be able to create a post in your group as well. This is how we can create group on Facebook. As you can see here, my Facebook group has now been created. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.